Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Bopperai Engineers. Our today's topic is DOL starter with local and remote push button. In this video we learn how to operate a DOL starter with local and remote push button. DOL starter power wiring video is also available in my YouTube channel. In this video we only learn about control wiring circuit. Look at its control diagram. According to diagram, both local and remote stop push button are connected in series. Both local and remote start push button are connected in parallel with contactor NO point. Overload relay NC point are connected in series with whole control circuit. Its control components are contactor, overload relay, local start and stop push button, remote start and stop push button. 13 and 14 are NO point of contactor. A1 and A2 are its coil supply. 95 and 96 are NC point of overload relay. We use green NO element for start push button and red NC element for stop push button. Let's make a connection according to drawing. First connect NC point of overload relay with main control supply. After that connect both stop push button in series with overload relay. Then connect both start push button and NO point of contactor in parallel. Check the NO and NC point of contactor and overload relay carefully. In last connect A2 terminal of contactor with neutral. Control wiring is complete. Its working is like that both stop button are connected in series. It means that when we press any stop push button circuit will get break. Both start push button are connected in parallel. It means that we can start motor from any start push button. Function of series and parallel contact are too much useful in control panel wiring. Parallel and series connection videos are also available in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video and press the bell icon for latest updates.